Set against the backdrop of the majestic 10-mile range, Breckenridge, Colorado is a beautiful winter wonderland and popular vacation destination. Let us help you discover how to make the most of your Breckenridge family vacations. With some of the most fun winter activities that you and your kids can enjoy in this quaint mountain town. With 5 peaks that accommodate skiers of all ages and abilities, spending a day on the slopes at the Breckenridge Ski Resort is one of the most exciting things to do with kids in Breckenridge. From wide and gentle beginners runs, perfect for kids and newcomers, to advanced trails designed to thrill seasoned riders, to terrain perfect for snowboarding. These slopes have something for everyone in the family. If you're looking for Breckenridge kids activities for those too young to ski, the sledding hill at Carter Park offers the same thrills on a smaller scale. Located near historic downtown, the Carter Park Recreation Center features a manicured sledding hill where kids of all ages can zoom on toboggans, saucers, and sleds, with all the amenities of a city park. For more hands-on historical Breckenridge family activities, take a trip to the Country Boy Mine. This authentic gold mine features a full day of family fun, including tours 1,000 feet into the mine, gold panning, snowshoe treasure hunts, monster truck sleigh rides, and more. Best of all, you can keep any nuggets you find while panning, like a real 59er. The Stephen C. West Ice Arena has everything beginners and pro skaters need to enjoy a few hours on the ice. Choose your skates at its fully stocked pro shop before scheduling a lesson or hitting the ice on the indoor or outdoor skating rinks. Top off your skating with hot cocoa to complete your day of creating family memories. With a dog sledding tour from Good Times Adventures, you and your family can tour the beautiful Swan River Valley while learning how to manage a sled team. Each family member gets to run the dogs, ride in the sled, and take photos from the guide sleigh in the front, with plenty of chances to pet the dogs in between. Why enjoy the charm of town on foot when you can ride in comfort? A sleigh ride through Breckenridge with kids under a warm blanket is a great way to see the sights. Choose from horse-drawn rides with hot cocoa and cookies, a sleigh ride ending with dinner, or one that includes a meal and a show. From cozy cabins that bring your family together, to spacious houses perfect for relaxing after a long day of Breckenridge family activities. You can choose from a wide selection of family-friendly properties with lots of amenities you need to make your stay more memorable. End each day of family fun by sipping hot drinks around a cozy fire as the snow falls on the snowy peaks surrounding Breckenridge. Your vacation to this mountain paradise will be one that you and your kids will remember warmly for years to come.